Hi, my name's Nathaniel McGee, and this is Module 1. First, a little bit about me. I grew up on a farm near Blue Mountain, Kansas, where we raised cattle and sheep. Showed both cattle and sheep and hogs through 4-H for my youth as well. I attended Jayhawk Glen High School, which is a 3A school in Mound City, Kansas. And after high school, I went to Fort Scott Community College on a livestock judging scholarship. After that, I transferred to Kansas State University, judged on the dairy cattle judging team, and received my bachelor's in agricultural education in 2013. I've been married to my wife Amanda for nearly 6 years. She's an elementary teacher, teaches 5th grade in a neighboring school district to me. We taught our first 2 years, though, in Winfield, Kansas, 4A school, before being given the opportunity to move close to home, in which she took a job at Osawatomie, which is her hometown, and I took a job at Central Heights, which is a small 2A school, literally in the middle of a field. And I've taught there for 4 years, getting ready to start my 5th. Other duties that I'm responsible for: I am the FFA advisor, or a co-FFA advisor, as well as a full-time bus driver. I'm expecting my first child, a little girl, in August. And due date's August 14th, so we're really hoping for a little bit of an extended summer break. And my hobbies include hunting, woodworking, and fishing. Some pictures, me and my wife, vacations and wedding. And this is my first FA officer team, my first year when I was fresh out of college, and then my hunting dog rookie. Critical reflection of my school, not only administrators but the board as well. I have a really strong administrative team that keeps a very level head, and they keep from making rash decisions even when the pressure's on. Just like last year, we had an incident at our school, and that led to 15 or 20 parents showing up angry over a supposed threat that was made by a student. They kept a level head. They did not side with the parents. They defused the situation and didn't let out very much information, and allowed the police to do a proper investigation of it. I really thought they did a really great job of handling that. And then policies are clearly outlined in our employee handbook, and everybody has access to that. It's on the website. And when incidents do come up, they do a great job of letting us know what the laws are. The most recent one I can think of had to do with several students who got concussions in the fall during football season, and they had a local doctor come in and speak during an in-service day about what you could expect a student to be able to do in the classroom when they're under a concussion, and then also they discussed the laws regarding doctor's note and expectations in the classroom for the students with concussions. Kind of a critique of my own knowledge of school laws. I have a very small understanding of it. I had even less before I took the special education class through this master's program. I feel pretty comfortable with what is expected of a teacher or an administrator as far as special education, but outside of that, I'm pretty weak on that. The spot where it comes up the most for me is that I'm a youth group leader at my church. I'm not afraid to share that with my students, but I have to be really careful about what I say, because I don't know, when they ask about it, I really don't know what I can legally say and what I can't. As far as plan on how to be successful and learn through this class, first of all, I want to read the text for this class and get to know it, the handbook or the pocket book or whatever it is. Then I want to spend the time to truly learn the material, even though this is in a fast-paced summer class and vacations and stuff come up during the middle of it. As well as I want to review my school's teacher handbook. Look forward to a great month of learning. Thank you.